Hi, it's Mary with your little mini tutorial about everything to do with yoga, right? So we're talking about blocks. I could spend forever on what we can do on blocks, but I'm breaking these down into little tutorials. So what I suggest for you to do is to try a tutorial in your next practice, see how it works for you, come back, look at some other ones and see which approach works best for you. The thing is that we are like thumbprints as far as our geometry of our body and life that has happened to our body. Therefore, our yoga postures are going to be the same. So what works for one person, a cue of tucking the tailbone might work for one person, but might actually take someone else out of alignment. So my goal with these tutorials is to give you some understanding that just because the teacher is cueing it, they might not be cueing it specifically for you. So we will have several little mini tutorials on different ways to use props, poses, breath, mindfulness, and that way you can find your own authentic practice. So talking about blocks. So we have 4-inch blocks here. You'll see some blocks that are 3 inches. Those are useful for some things, maybe when you start to jump through and maybe holding between your thighs if you're really slender and small. But for the most part, my favorite blocks are 4-inch blocks. You will find a cork block. This one weighs about 3 or 4 pounds. Maybe not that much, but it feels like it when you're using it in abs or something. This is foam blocks. You'll notice that you will get foam blocks that are really squishy or foam blocks that are firm. Squishy ones are better for sitting on, not better for supporting you. So if you really need support from your blocks, look for the firm blocks. Also, if you need extra support, I would go the route of a cork block. It just is more stable than anything. If you are using the cushy foam blocks and you're doing anything like Asana, where you lift and you sit through, you will experience wrist pain. So I suggest an all-around good block is a nice firm 4-inch foam block. Look for my next little mini tutorials on what to do with these.